Everyone wants to rank number one, but most are missing the two fundamental pillars required to win. Did you know that over half of the factors that determine your ranking have nothing to do with the content on your page? This is where the real battle is fought, not just with content, but with authority and distribution. You'll see how Google can recognize your brand's authority even without a single hyperlink back to your site. In this video, we'll give you the blueprint for building undeniable authority and creating a distribution machine to dominate search. First, understand Google's quality standard, EEAT. That's experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Every tactic must align with this. Authority is not just about being an expert. It's about search engines recognizing you as one. It's a measure of trust, built on and off your website. Distribution is the engine that gets your authoritative content discovered. It's about strategically placing your content on different platforms, not just waiting. Before you build anything, your own house must be in order. Poor on-site SEO, like broken links or a confusing site structure, signals a lack of trustworthiness. Authority is not a one-time project. It's built over time. A consistent content strategy signals to search engines that you are an active, reliable source. So you have a clean site and a consistent strategy. How do you actually build and move authority around your domain? Imagine authority is like water. If a powerful backlink pours it onto your homepage, how do you get it to the other pages that need it most? The answer is strategic internal linking. These aren't just for navigation. They create a web that distributes page authority from your strongest pages to your newer ones. When you strategically interlink a cluster of related articles, you're demonstrating deep, comprehensive knowledge. This is called topical authority, and Google favors it. This structure works because it helps users. When people click your internal links and spend time on your site, it sends powerful signals to Google that your content is valuable. So that's how authority flows. In from external sources and directed throughout your site via a planned network of internal links, all validated by user engagement. Now that we know how to manage authority on our site, how do we acquire more of it from the outside world? The primary signal is the high-quality backlink. Think of it as a vote of confidence from another authoritative website. But even without a hyperlink, a mention of your brand on a reputable site helps Google recognize your entity and topical relevance. While social shares aren't a direct ranking factor, they drive traffic and conversations, which leads to those valuable links and mentions. Ultimately, all these signals are earned by one thing: creating valuable, relevant content that people naturally want to reference and share. Acquiring these signals is great, but it is incredibly easy to make mistakes that can destroy your authority. Are you making any of these? Myth number 1: more keywords means better rankings. This is false. Keyword stuffing is penalized. Google now prioritizes natural language and user intent. A common mistake is chasing quantity over quality in backlinks. One link from a respected industry site is worth more than 1,000 from low-quality directories. Finally, ignoring technical health is a silent killer of authority. A slow-loading website frustrates users, creating a direct negative signal to Google. So how do we tie all this together? How do we use smart distribution to actively build the right kind of authority signals? Recall the unlinked brand mentions we covered. A diverse content distribution strategy, placing content on guest blogs and industry forums, naturally creates them. One of the most powerful distribution tactics is content syndication, republishing your content on larger, authoritative third-party sites using canonical tags. Syndication is a win-win. It amplifies your content's reach to a new audience, can lead to faster indexing, and associates your brand with an established authority. This creates a powerful feedback loop. Great content enables distribution, which earns authority signals, which proves to Google your content is trustworthy, improving rankings. Winning is not about authority or distribution. It is a single, integrated system where each part strengthens the other. Success in organic search is not a game of tricks. It is achieved by systematically building real-world authority and strategically distributing your content to prove it. Remember, over half of your success is determined by off-page factors. Google is watching everything from quality backlinks to how long users stay on your site. Your takeaway is this: Stop creating content in a vacuum. For every piece you produce, have a plan to build its authority and a channel to distribute its message. Start building your authority and distribution engine today. Audit your internal links, find one piece of content to syndicate, and watch your organic visibility grow.